Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Screen Time. This is the control center for limits and downtime. Once done, tap Turn on Screen Time and follow prompts to declare this device as yours. Make sure to set a screen time passcode right away. This prevents easy bypasses. If you use multiple Apple devices, enable Share across devices so limits apply across iPhone and iPad. These immediate steps lock and control, and they let you move to fine-grained rules without delay. You now set the concrete rules that shape daily use. Go to App Limits and add limit. Choose categories or individual apps, then set hours or minutes per day. Next, configure downtime. Pick start and end times when only calls and allowed apps work, so evenings and sleep stay device-free. Then tap Always Allowed and select exceptions like phone or maps. This ensures vital functions stay available. Once configured, review combined usage to confirm the limits match your goals. You finish by enforcing the passcode and verifying settings. Test a blocked app to confirm the limit triggers. Once done, if you manage a child, use family sharing to apply or edit restrictions remotely through family organizer controls. Make periodic checks in screen time reports to tweak limits, adjust minutes, add or remove always allowed apps, and refine downtime. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone, confirm iCloud and Share across devices are signed in, and update
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.